anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will. When the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds.
Wagwan guys, wagwan. Happy birthday to Poppy.
Happy birthday, Poppy!
Birthday settings, and I don't know the thing guys. You know what I say? Straight, so we roll out to a restaurant, you know. Have reservation and beer things. We're gonna eat some food.
Yep.
Enjoy ourselves. We're still late.
Oh
Not
yes,
even
beer
check.
thing. Do I drop off the kids them after we leave?
Mad thing I'm on. You see me I say? Straight. So you don't know we have to bring it along with us. You know, it's been a long time coming from last year to this year.
Yep.
New year, birth year, you know what I mean? Big up everybody who support Poppyshowja. We really appreciate all of you guys. Continue to subscribe to us if you haven't done so. Continue to support us if you're not subscribed already. You know what I mean? We appreciate each and every one of you. You understand what I say? So, we don't do too much talking. You understand? We're not going to love that video. Yeah? Just stay tuned, enjoy yourself, and watch Poppy enjoy his birthday with you.
Yep.
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat.
So, babes, you know you're getting old now, right?
Oh, some feel like me about 20, you know.
What? You feel like 20?
Maybe
you
21.
Move like 80 right about now with that crook neck the way you have. But no, seriousness aside though, joke aside though.
When I move like 80.
Yeah, that's how exactly how you move now. But you know what though? I do not mind growing old with you.
Honey, me not get old yet.
Honey, you kinda get there. But I'm just saying, like, we gonna get old together.
Yes.
Me have back pain, you have neck pain.
No, I'm not claim that. She might have back pain, me not have no neck pain.
Honey, we're getting old, man. But anyways, I'm just glad to be doing life with the man that I truly love. And that in itself is just a blessing.
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta dripping off the chin. I gotta hit the beat, beat.
Damn. Can you stop for a second? Thank you.
You're welcome. There's another one down there. We'll be right back. Can we have some paper towels, please? Oh, more napkins? More napkins, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you, Simon.
Thank you. Thank you. Disgusting.
Here we go. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay.
Hey, Mommy, look at me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, shit. Someone is good.
That's
Did you get that in rice?
Look for them on the front. Them a little further.
That's your about everything that I will get rice. Thank you.
Oh my God.
And that's an order. Will be out shortly. Anything else we need at the moment?
Not for the moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Y'all enjoy? Thank you.
Come on, sit down.
Get your tire one.
Chin.
AJ, what did you get me? You didn't get me nothing? Zion, what did you get me?
Just say it's at home. Oh,
I got home.
At home?
I think I told you to remind me about the gifts.
I did.
Just want to go and leave them right at the door. I'm so sorry. Malik was supposed to remind me of the gifts. Malik, really? Bro, couldn't remind me about the gifts then? But babe, don't worry, man. We can unbox that tomorrow.
No. What kind of birthday am I not going to give?
At least have some balloons.
Balloon? No gifts? Struggle real.
Guys, we forgot that is gifts.
Oh. Shh, guys, hold on.
Oh.
What go on, brother? What are you dealing with? Video? Which video? Video send? Only what kind of video am I about?
No worry, man. You're so see videos, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yo, my boss, me man knows the video send. Alright, I'm going to check my phone. Big up yourself, see? Alright, my boss. Alright, my brother. Yeah, man, bless him. Which video am I talking about?
Don't worry, man. You're so see videos. I got this locked, okay?
Alright, let me check the phone.
Don't worry yourself. Everything locked.
Oh, see the video them, yeah? So I know, guys. Check out them video.
Happy birthday, Poppy! Woo! AKA my brother in love. Yes, I just want to celebrate this day with you. I'm going to bless you with the word of God. In Numbers 6:24, it said, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. And the Lord lift up his countenance unto you and give you peace. I pray for blessing like a river forever flowing in your life, my brother. Keep on being prosperous in the Lord. God bless you. Woo!
Happy birthday, Ian, aka Poppy Show. Big up yourself. We love you.
Big up yourself, Paul, my general. Mad thing, Poppy Show. Ciao.
Birthday shout out to Poppy from the Poppy Show. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. It's a girl, Angel Bless. I'm just taking this time out to say big up yourself, Madri, and your birthday, your thing large. God bless you guys. Latoya, make sure you do your thing and spoil me now. Alright. Me not say nothing more. Just make sure you spoil Poppy. Poppy, you don't know. Love you guys, man. Love the show. You guys are doing great. Do not change the channel. Big up on yourself. Alright, God bless.
Yeah, you really did something, yeah? You really give me 1 minute to tell Poppy happy birthday? John Star. But you don't know, you know, Taya. I know say you're going to make the day, yeah. You know, very special and, you understand? Yeah, man, so. Big up the whole Poppy Show, you know, man. You don't know, and the whole family. You understand? Yo, more to send Poppy Show to 10,000 subscribers for his birthday and deserve it. You understand? Yes, man. Do it, man. If you don't say you don't love Poppy Show, push and share upon the video. You see me? And like up the video and subscribe and send on your grandfather, mother, everybody over there. You see me? More life and blessing in the Poppy Show coming from Jamaica YouTube. You don't know? Yeah, man. Love is real. The support is strong, though. Taya, Poppy. Me and you guys ups and down be under the sheet. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ian. Hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. And Taya, make sure you take care of the big man, all right? Love you guys. Bye.
Happy birthday to the one and only Poppyshowja. Greetings coming from Nicola, your sister from another mother. Continue to be the amazing person you are, and I pray that God's richest blessing will be upon you today and for the rest of your life. Happy birthday, Poppy.
To you, Ian, I wish you all the best and all the best life after Harvard. I have a drink for you for that one, okay? Happy birthday.
Hey, Pappy, what's up? Happy birthday, man. All the best on your birthday today. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. I'm sure you will. Because Latoya is going to make sure you have a great birthday. Big up, man. And continue to be the great husband and father of the wonderful family. Be good, man. Happy birthday again. This is Paul saying big up every time. All right, cool.
What are you tonight?
Happy birthday, Ian.
Bless up, Ian. Happy birthday. Manners and respect.
Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday,
Uncle
Ian.
Uncle Ian.
Happy birthday, Ian. Just want to let you know how we love and appreciate you and how special you are to us. I thank the Lord that he has blessed us with another year to celebrate your birthday, and I just pray that you will continue to be blessed beyond measures and that the Lord will continue to light your pathway. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Enough love and many happy returns.
Birthday to you, my brother-in-law. You don't know the love is real. Big up yourself. Have lots and lots of fun. I know wife is going to make the day extra special for you. So I don't know, just big up yourself. I know your sister-in-law love you, don't it?
Happy birthday to you. This is your day.
Yo, I don't want you to sing for no man, you know. I want me to you.
Happy Happy birthday, Poppy Show. God's richest blessing to you on this day. I pray that you have long life and prosperity and you'll get all that your heart desire and many more. Big up your nice clean self, my brother.
Talk no man, make sure say you're up and running today, no my G. Life blessings always. Long life and what? Prosperity. Happy Earth Strong and then a happy birthday. Happy Earth Strong, my G. Salute. Bless up yourself. Stay focused, you know. Talk no man, the thing loud. Poppy Show, never a claffy show. Bless up, my G. Salute.
Blessings.
I want to say happy birthday to my brother Poppy Show. I hope you have a great day. You're a great person, and I wish for you more life, health, and strength. Pick up yourself.
See me and my darkers. I don't know what time it is. Babes, tell them what time it is.
Poppy Show birthday. Yes.
Yo.
I would just want to wish Poppy Show a blessed and a happy birthday. And we hope you live to see many more. And you are forever blessed. So have a blessed birthday, bro. And we are so pleased to have met you on this YouTube platform. And we hope your journey just continues. So bless up yourself and have a blessed birthday.
I don't know the thing go though. Don't miss to misses to this, because this is the celebration there now. The 22nd of Feb. As I say, to miss is to this. So ready feet. And first thing, man, I'm dark because you know say a serious time now. Taya, I know say everything lacking us, so big up yourself.
Yes, sis.
Taya. But Pop Skull, Jenna, happy birthday strong now. I know say the African young say much love, a long life, prosperity. You see me? I know say yo, long live the king. So big up yourself and happy birthday, Jenna. And I say a word. Taya, large.
Happy birthday from the Afflick gang.
I say a word. So,
peace.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What's up, Poppy Show? You don't know your sister Taya here bringing you birthday wishes. Happy birthday to you, my brother. You're an awesome dad, a wonderful husband, and an awesome motivator. Trust me, you don't have to know you to feel comfortable to even talk to you. Big up yourself by your earth strong in my love. One more milestone. Lady Taya gonna make your day mad and your kids them are gonna make your day shot. So you don't know? Happy birthday, King. One love.
Alwood Patsy here to wish Poppyshowja
a blessed Earth Strong and his birthday here.
a happy birthday. Big up yourself, Poppy Show. And I hope Taya treat you right. This is a birthday after a YouTuber. I hope Taya do something really special for you today.
This is the birthday after YouTube.
After a YouTuber. This is his first birthday after his YouTuber, right?
Oh, well, anyway, General, you see, we have to, you know, we have to come through with, we have to forward through here, like
with the merch for your birthday, yes.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, so bless up on your birthday, man, your Earth Strong, you know what I mean? I hope that I live to see lots more.
Peace out.
Happy birthday, Uncle Poppy. Happy birthday, Uncle Poppy. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So, Poppy, my bro, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Poppy Show.
Oh, happy birthday, Poppy, my brother. You don't know, big up yourself. It's all love. I never regret meeting you on this YouTube platform. You're like family. And I just want to wish you all the best on your birthday. I ask that God continue to bless you and that beautiful family that He's already blessed you with. You are favored and only great things from here. So you don't know, big up yourself.
Man call Poppy, big up yourself, you know. Bless up, brother. One love. More, go on do your thing, see? I love how the man doing thing on YouTube and I love how you do the family thing. See? Salute. Go on do your thing. Bless up.
Big up yourself, bro.
Cool.
Hey Ian, this is Heather. Just wishing you a happy and prosperous birthday. I do hope you'll enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Poppy Show. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And I pray that God will continue to bless you, guide you, keep you and your lovely family. And to tell you this, I really admire you. You are such a great inspiration. Yes, you are such a great inspiration. And I really admire you for that. And so for that, I just want to say, I hope God will continue to bless you and you will live to see much more birthday. And I hope you enjoy this birthday and stay blessed. All right, and this is coming from your girl Florence Go Get a Shirley, as you know. All right, blessings, bro.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Poppy Show. I hope you will have a wonderful and a blessed and amazing day today.
And I hope God bless you today, because today is an awesome day for you, my general. I want you to enjoy it to the fullest.
Right. And may He carry you safely throughout the year. Continue to be the hardworking man that you are, the husband that you are, and continue to take care of your family.
Yeah, man, because you have been a wonderful friend to the Robinson family, and we just want to say happy birthday and enjoy the rest of your day.
Right, and may God shower you with His deepest and wonderful, richest blessing.
Poppy, from you to the face, you don't know it's a little sister Renee Rebel wanting to send a quick birthday shout out to you. I hope that you will enjoy today, your day, and I pray that God will continue to bless you in all your endeavors. I know that Toya will spoil you, and despite the odds with all the pandemic going on, you'll find means and ways of enjoying today. More life and more blessings on your strong. Big up yourself, and just know say SRK family love you right through.
Hello, this is Nat Sunshine Spencer, and guess what? Today is Poppyshowja birthday, and I just want to shout him out there. Happy birthday, Poppy Show. Yes, it's his birthday and it's his time to shine. I know he's gonna have a great day because him good wife, Taya, and the kids gonna give him a birthday he will never forget. So, wanna enjoy yourself, being the person you are, keeping it real. Poppyshowja, always keep them video they coming. So go on, enjoy yourself. Your sister in the house, healing you up, cause you don't know Jamaica to the flipping world. Poppy Show, do have a great day. You are the real MVP.
Hey guys, this is Trending Boss Family here. We want to send a happy birthday out to Poppy Show.
Poppy Show, big up yourself and your Earth Strong, the G. Happy Earth Strong, happy birthday, happy G Day from the Trending Boss family. We wish you all the best. We hope you full joy the day. And we wish you many more blessings on top of blessings. Big up the whole Poppy Show channel. Make sure you go subscribe. As a birthday gift, make sure you go subscribe, like, and share the channel. Poppy Show.
Happy birthday.
Big up yourself. Boom.
Hey Poppy Show, Wagwan. It's your girl Tricky Living. I wanted to stop in here to wish you a day filled with happiness and a year filled of joy. You have a blessed day and happy birthday again. Bye. One love.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, dear Poppy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, dear Poppy. Happy birthday. Yeah, man, people, stop on and do. Guess what? It's World Poppy Show Earth Day today. Yeah, man, stop on and do. Come help me help Ty and the kids them celebrate Poppy Show birthday. Poppy here, wow. I, Tea Time 101, your little sister, just want to wish you an amazing day. You understand? Thanks so much for being who you are. Thanks so much for all the positive energy, for all the examples that you show. Thank you so much. And I pray God will continue to bless you and to elevate you and to lift you and to onwards and upwards movements, you and your family. Yes. Happy birthday. You don't know it go. You understand? Keep on pushing. Keep on doing what you're doing. A lot of people out there cheering you on. And I just want you to have an amazing day and many, many, many more happy birthdays. God bless you, my friends. Happy birthday to you. Look after yourself. I don't know Ty and the kids, I'm going to spoil it already. So I'm not even going to dwell upon that. Yeah? Have a nice one. And all right, look after yourself and walk good. Take care. Enough more happy birthdays to come. All right?
Hey Poppy, it's your girl Sheen here. I am just coming to wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have lots and lots of fun. I know Toya and the kids are gonna make it a special day for you. Blessings upon blessings. Happy birthday again, and wishing you many more birthdays to come.
Hey yo Poppy, it's Jermaine. Yo brother, I just wanna say happy Earth Strong. You know what I mean? Shouting you all the way out from Toronto, Canada. Brother, I don't want you to enjoy yourself, and I want you to full enjoy your birthday. You know what I mean? Straight. Blessings.
Hey Popstar, I just want to say happy birthday to the one and only Ian, aka Poppy Show. It's your birthday and you don't know blessings have to overflow. I pray you have a blessed birthday with love, joy, and happiness from your queen, your princes, and your princess. Happy birthday, Poppy. God bless.
Yo, Poppy, what? Yeah, man, I'm here things are going. I don't know, boss, but just want to say happy birthday to you. I mean, I say big up yourself, because you're the top boss, you're the top zaddy, you're the top husband, you're everything up top. You don't know anything said. You hear me, I say, I want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you live to see many more. And you don't know always, you know, always keep up the fight, always keep up the vibes. Big up Poppy Show. Peace. I'm out. We are end the video. Peace. I'm out.
Wow, that was so amazing. Thanks to each and everyone who sent in a video wishing me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. For those of you who never send in on but leave a comment, big up on yourself same way. And also everybody on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, don't know, big up on yourself. Truly appreciate it, sir. Night was amazing, believe me guys, the night was truly amazing. It's definitely awesome that I was able to spend it with my family. I give God thanks for another year. Thank God for my YouTube family. Don't know yourself, big up on yourself always. My real brother them on YouTube, my real sister them on YouTube. Big up on yourself all the time. You know, I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And yeah man, all our friends and families, man, everybody. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. And that's going on with themselves. So it was really fun guys, really fun. We're gonna close out the vlog now. I'm about to go drive. Until next time, see you on another Poppy Show video.
Big up on yourself.
Kicking in, beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. All night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in.